So here we are teasing. I'm putting this wool through the very first machine in the process, which is a teaser. And we're taking clean wool here that we've added a little bit of oil back to lubricate the fibres as they're worked. And we're running it through this machine and a blower system ready for it to go on the cards. Well, here we are. This is the feed to the carding set, and this is a nice wool for us to use. It's got a very nice length to it. It works for our machines about 3 to 4 inches of the individual fibre lengths, and it makes a nice knitting yarn, which is what we're making out of this. You know, just a nice white knitting yarn. And prior to this, it will go through the blending, and once it's right through the system, through the cards, through the spinning, we end up with hanks of wool, which we've spun on the spinning mule, and then we twist together, and then we turn into hanks, ready for knitting. There it is.